Assalamualaikum friends, my name is Atul Hussain. So today I will tell you about discipline and management in life that student must know about these things. So first come to discipline. Discipline is basically a thing that you need in your whole life. What discipline means? Discipline means to keep yourself in a constant way. Like you are reading a book. You are reading any book and you are reading it constantly and constantly, so this will what make this will end your gap when you are speaking. So this is called the discipline. Discipline means doing anything constantly. And let's come to the time management. Basically time management means to keep your discipline, or to keep your time in on time means, see, if you have time to read a book's page, so if you can't read, it will lose your time. And time is a basic thing that you need in your life. If time is gone, you can't do anything in your life. Even you cannot achieve your goal in life. Such as I have time to read this page. If I read this page, I will have some information about it. And I used my time as a remember or as to remove my gap in speaking. I remove my gap because I read. I did not waste my time. I give my time to a book that really give me information. That really give me information to talk. And the real success, if you want to a real success, so understand discipline first, then time management, because these things you have to know. Because if you want to be successful in life, you must know about these things. As you know, a labor, he want to like do not make any mistake in his reading. When he go to past, he will make his mistake solve and make it good in a good way. If he goes into past, he will tell to his past that you have to read, remember all these things, you have to study for yourself, because he know now the experience he felt now. So use your time in a good way, because time is precious, and if it is gone, you cannot take back to it, and you cannot go to in future, because it is probably in future it may be happen that if go if one person or another that go in future, but it will not go into past. Because in the first video, as I've given you, that I tell you that there's not any theory that you can go to past. So use your time in a good way, that success came to you. And hard work, you have also do hard work, but also hard work and smart work. Hard work and smart work, you will be on success. Because if you see, if I am taking a bucket of water and sending it to a big hole like a river, so it take me lots of days. But if I have some machinery and I have do also hard work but also smart work, that will fill more faster than it that was from hard work. I do not say do not do hard work. Yes, do hard work, but in a way that you do hard work and also smart work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.